Hey there guys, stereorob here. Got something different today. So I got this Heathkit amplifier, it's hi-fi. It's small. Here's my hand. Here's the amp. It's tiny. And I mean, it's really, really tiny. But that's really about all I know about it. It was pre-assembled sometime in the 1960s, but we're gonna check it out. I think I read somewhere that it's something like 3 watts or just some minuscule fart mouse power amplifier, but around back here, it is a model AA-18. Yeah, we're gonna see what it sounds like. We'll see if it blows up or if it works or what it's gonna be like. Alright, so even though it's solid state, more than likely it's probably been decades since this thing's been used. So I'm still gonna use the Variac just to be safe with it. Let's just kind of hope to see what it does here. I'll go ahead and throw the switch. Alright, got about 115. Does nothing. Well, that's disappointing. Well, this is an itty-bitty, teeny, tiny little amp, and the fact that it's giving me nothing at all tells me it's probably a fuse. Little thing I'll mention here, down to all the different screws here, it's taken me about 10 minutes to kind of get these things to unlock. Now, the thing with these pieces like this, or other old stereo pieces, when they're not opened up for a very, very long time, the screws will actually almost become adhered to the case here, and when you twist it, you get a pop. Let's see if I can get this one to pop, the last one I got here. Yeah, hear that? That means it's never been into. So this has never been touched. Let's see what we got. It's not as old as I thought it was. Okay. So it's got a chip in there. That's a relatively modern chip. Now I'm trying to find out is why this isn't working. So okay, I'm guessing, okay, yeah, that fuse is just cooked. So, alright, that fuse is blown, that's why it isn't working. So, what I'm going to do, because this is just like a jerk-off little amplifier that I'm not too concerned about, I'm just going to jump across the 2 terminals with a piece of wire and kick it on and see what happens. Stereo Tsunami has just arrived. It's cracking. Are you okay? Stereo Tsunami? Whoa, dude, careful. Dude, you are fucking blitzed. Jesus. Yeah, I can see that. Okay, so this right here. This is an absolutely horrible idea that I recommend to absolutely nobody. Do not do this. This is a very bad idea. This is called a no. Do not. However, this is me, and I'm stereorob, and that Stereo Tsunami over there is drunk.
What's up?
But this amplifier is just like a little pipsqueak bullshit doo-doo amplifier that I'm not concerned about, so I'm just going to jump the 2 wires across a terminal to get a connection, and if it blows itself up, it's not going to be a big deal. I thought it was older than what it is, but I'm seeing like newer circuitry and stuff in there, probably from the 70s. So maybe it was a kit built in the 60s that they had leftovers on a parts warehouse for, and they continued to build them way longer than they were supposed to. But yeah, so I'm gonna put that between the fuse terminals and then let it rip. So yep. So the jumper is now in place. So yeah, we're gonna find out what it does now. That's what it does. Okay, that's bad. Maybe the hum will actually go away after a few minutes. Okay, well the hum quieted down. Oh, now it's getting crackly now. So I've got a line level attached to it. I'm gonna hook it up to the phone. So let's give this thing a shot and see what it sounds like. Oh, lovely. That's distortion for days. And most Bluetooth speakers I know probably have more power than this thing. Like, I don't even know what I'd use this for. That cap's warm. That cap there, it's warm. I wouldn't go in there touching that too much. That's a bit, I wouldn't.
That's fun.
Yeah, if you touch the wrong place, it will hurt you. Don't, yeah, I would be, even though this is a fucking little dog shit amp, but still.
It's actually, it's not that hot to me. But also, I'm drunk as fuck.
Well, no shit. That's all the way open. That's fucking terrible, dude.
In unison with something else.
Maybe yeah.
Like another like little shit tier amp.
Yeah.
Or receiver.
A shit tier receiver, shit tier speaker.
Or preamp or something.
Yeah.
It may not be as shit as we think.
That's pretty shitty, dude. Well, the person that put it together might have been a fuck knuckle too that didn't know what he was doing, so. God, what a just It may have a use or purpose. It works. It didn't blow up when I turned it on, which is good.
It's not tube, though.
No, hell no, it's not tube. It's not even early solid state. It's like fucking a mixture of... It's like a 60s amp that they threw together still as an available kit in the 70s and maybe even the early 80s, because I'm looking at this, and these are old. Like, these caps are old, these resistors are old, but this is a modern fucking cap right here, man. That's a modern cap, that's a modern power transistor. That's only maybe 30 years old. It made tops. Well, it does work, so that's good. What exactly its purpose will be here, I'm not sure, but I'm sure it'll find its niche. But yeah, so that's this thing. It's Heathkit AA-18. Anyways, thanks for watching. You still drinking?
Peace out.
All right, and I'll see you guys the next time. All right, later.